Welcome back to Beauty Flavors. Today, we're delving into a topic that many of us in India face: how to bid farewell to those pesky pimples in just 3 days. Let's get started. I will tell you 3 easy home remedies to get rid of pimples easily. Number 1, turmeric and honey. Add half teaspoon of turmeric to 1 tablespoon of honey and mix well. Apply on wet skin and leave on for 5 minutes. Rinse off with water. Number 2, multani mitti. Mix 2 tablespoons of multani mitti with water or rose water and leave on your face for 20 minutes. Rinse off with water. Number 3, lime juice. Lime juice is antibacterial, hence it can help get rid of pimples by killing the bacteria once it's formed. Using a cotton pad, apply directly onto the pimple and leave on for 5-10 minutes before rinsing off. Try these hacks and you will get rid of the pimples quickly. Thanks for watching. See you next time.